Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you array find method. And guys, this is most similar to array filter method. So if you hadn't watched my array filter method video, so I will provide the link in description. So first of all, watch this video so it will be easy to understand array find method. Okay, so guys, let's start. So here I will show you I have index.html file and I have a custom.js file, and all the JS code I will write in custom.js file. So first of all, to implement array find method, I will create an array. So here array and equals to and square bracket, and now here I will put some random value. So 32, 33, 16, 40, any value you can put here. Okay, and in this array I will use array find method, but before that I will show the original value of the array. So for that, just here in the html file I will create a h2 tag. So h2 tag, and inside this h2 tag I will take an id. So id is, I will write the id name is demo. Okay, and now in this demo id I will copy, and in this h2 tag I will show original value of array. So for that, just here I will write document dot get element by id, and id is demo, because inside this h2 tag I want to show the original value of array, and so for that I have taken id, and that is demo. So in this demo id, just I will write inner html equals to and this array. So I will write this array, and after showing the original value of array, then I will use array find method, so it will be easy to understand. So I'll save, and here just refresh it. So here you can see now I'm getting the original value of array, and now I will use this in this array a filter method. So for that, just here I will do one thing. Just here I will write another h2 tag, and this h2 tag id I will write demo1, because in this h2 tag I will show the after using array find method. Okay, and now just here I will write a button, because when I will click this button, then I will show this array find method. So button type is button, and on click method, and the on click method I will write the method name is func, that is the short form of function. You can write any name of this method as per your choice, and this button name I will write click. So now I will copy this method name, because I will declare here, and now just here I will paste the method name, and here just I will use array find method. So for that, first of all, here I will take a variable let, and let I will take the variable name is use find. Okay, so you can write any name of the variable. Just I have write array find method, so I have write use find. Okay, and now in this use find method, just here I will write, because array, this array, because I want to implement find method in this array. So array dot find, and this array find method takes a callback function. So for that, parenthesis and again parenthesis, and in this parenthesis I will write a function name, because it takes a callback function. So I will write the function name is e. So e is the function name. Okay, and this function I will use fade arrow function. So arrow, and here it's showing error because I did not use function keyword. So you can do this way, function keyword, and you can write this way. Otherwise you can use fade arrow function here also. So I will use fade arrow function. So equals to and this. So this is the syntax of fade arrow function, and here I'm using also fade arrow function, and e is the function name. Okay, so array dot find methods, inside this array dot find method I have written another function. Okay, and this is the syntax of array dot find method. It takes a callback function. So e is the function name, and just here you have to write curly braces and enter, and here I will write here return, and now this e function is denoting all the value of array. Okay, so e function we write for denoting this array value. So I will write here e means this function name e. So E, and E is greater than equals to, that means E will be greater than equals to, and I will put a value that is 18. Okay, so E will be same or more than 18. And now here, and in this demo 1 ID, I will show this filter methods value, the output of this filter, this output of the find method. So the document dot get element by ID, and the ID is demo1 dot inner HTML, and in this inner HTML I will paste this variable because I store array find method in this variable. So and now I'm showing, I'm printing the output of this demo one. So I have written here this variable here. Okay, so now I will save here and just refresh. So here is the button, and when I will click here, so you can see it's coming the output after using array find method, and why it's 32. So here I have written the this E is the function, and this function denoting the value of array. This is the syntax, and I have written E, which value will be written here, where the 8 more than 80 or equals to 18. So here 8 more than or same like 18, that is 32, 33, 40. 16 is the less than of 16 is the less than of 18, but here 32, 33 and 40 is the more than 18. So this but here it's showing only 32 because guys, this is the array find method. But if you watch my array filter method, so you know this is this time that time it's returning the output all the value which is more than 18, but here it's returning only the first element of the array. So here the first element which is more than 18, that is 32. So that's why it's returning only 32. But if you write here if you write here 14, so the it will be then it will be check which element is more than 18. So first it will be check this one, so it's not a more than 18, so it will be not printed this value. But after that, when it will be get 33 is more than 18, so it will be printed only the 33. So if I save and show you the output here, so you can see it's showing only the 33, not 40, because it's showing the first element which one is more than your applying value. So here I have written here 18. So here the first element, that is 33, which one is more than 18, so it's showing that. But if I use here filter method, this is the same filter method and syntax is also same, but just we have to write filter instead of find. So if I use filter method, so let's see the different again. So if I click here, so you can see all the it's checking all the value. So which one is more than 18, it's checking all the values. So 33 and 40 both are more than 18, so it's showing here. But find method showing only the first element, that is 33. So it's when it's getting 33, that is more than 18, so it's showing that one, not it's going another value. So this is the difference between filter and find method. And now I will show you, you can use it dynamically also. Like here, if I click here input, so input type is input type, I will write a text, and here I will take a ID, and ID is input. Okay, and I will copy this input. So in this this is the static, I have written 18, but now this value I will take from the input. So for that I will write a variable input equals to document dot get element by ID, and the ID is input dot value. Okay, this will be the value dot value. So now I'm showing this input value, which I will put the value in the input that I'm storing this input variable. So now I will copy this input variable, and instead of 18 I will put here and save and refresh it. So here I have to be saved also, and now refresh. So here you can see this is the input. So now if I put here 16, so it will be show the output of more than 16, that is 33, because it's showing only the first element of array which one is more than 16, so 33. But if I write here 33, so it should be showing the output 40, because more than 33 I have written here in the JS, that is more than input. So if in the input if I write 33, so the more than 33, that is 40, so it's showing the output is 40. Oh, it's a similar, because 33 and here is the 33, that is similar, so I'm getting output 33 because I have written here more than get, or you can say it greater than or equals to, that means greater than or similar to. So that's why. So if I write here for 34, so you can see now I'm getting 40, because more than 34's value is 40, so it's showing the output 40. So this is the array find method, and I hope you understand the difference between array find and array filter method. So hope guys this video will help you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon also.